In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best TPMS tool available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the TPMS tool list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the TPMS tool mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, FOXWELL NT809 TSOBD2 Scanner. The FOXWELL NT809 TSOBD2 Scanner is a powerful automotive diagnostic tool that offers Bluetooth connectivity for easy data transfer and analysis. With its OE-level capabilities, it can diagnose all systems in your car, providing comprehensive information on issues like engine, transmission, ABS, and more. Additionally, it features active tests to help you troubleshoot problems effectively. Ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this scanner ensures accurate and efficient diagnosis to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Number 4, ANCEL VOD700 OBD2 Scanner for Volvo. The ANCEL VOD700 OBD2 scanner is specially designed for Volvo cars, offering advanced diagnostic capabilities for various systems including ABS, EPB, TPMS, and more. Its ABS bleeding function helps to remove air from the brake system, ensuring optimal brake performance. With features like injector and oil reset, as well as BMS and DPF reset, it provides comprehensive maintenance solutions for Volvo owners. Equipped with a user-friendly interface and compact design, this scanner is a convenient tool for identifying and resolving issues in Volvo vehicles. Number 3, TPMS Diagnostic Tool Tire Pressure Matcher. The TPMS Diagnostic Tool Tire Pressure Matcher is a versatile device designed for tire pressure monitoring system (TPMS) maintenance. It offers sensor activation and programming capabilities, allowing you to match new sensors to your vehicle's TPMS system with ease. With its OBD2 scanner functionality, it provides quick and accurate diagnosis of TPMS-related issues, ensuring proper tire pressure and vehicle safety. Compact and easy to use, this tool is a must-have for automotive professionals and enthusiasts who prioritize tire maintenance and safety. Number 2, XTOOL InPlus IP819TP Full TPMS Diagnostic Tools. The XTOOL InPlus IP819TP Full TPMS Diagnostic Tools offer comprehensive TPMS diagnostics and automotive services. With bidirectional control, it enables you to perform advanced functions like key programming and CAN-FD communication. Supporting over 36 services, it covers a wide range of vehicle systems for thorough diagnosis and maintenance. Its intuitive interface and ergonomic design make it easy to operate, while its TPMS capabilities ensure accurate tire pressure monitoring and adjustment. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a car enthusiast, this tool provides the functionality and reliability needed for efficient automotive servicing. Number 1, Autel MX Sensor 433315 MHC TPMS Sensor. The Autel MX Sensor 433315 MHC TPMS sensor is a high-quality tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, sensor designed for accurate and reliable tire pressure monitoring. With its Maxi TPMS technology, it offers precise tire pressure measurement and real-time monitoring, ensuring optimal safety and performance. This sensor is programmable and compatible with a wide range of vehicles, making it versatile and convenient for automotive professionals and enthusiasts. Its tire repair tools and scanner programming capabilities further enhance its utility, making it an essential component for maintaining proper tire pressure and vehicle safety.